Hello dudes. Welcome to my channel. In this video we gonna see how to create a image carousel using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's see the demo. The carousel will be stopped, hen mouse pointer gets hover in image. Let's try to do in short video. And without any delay, let's move on to our video. Keep full screen, to show the code more clear. Let's start with index.html. Write the default structure of HTML. Here, I have mentioned the class name, in yellow color. It will be used for each styles. Make sure, you have given the styler sheet and CDN link in head tag. These div class makes image carousel, with image parts. You can also add, more image links, in this div class. These I class, is for left and right arrow button, for carousel. Now we write the style.css file, for classes, such as, body, wrapper, icon button, image container and carousel. Due to long video, I written the CSS style in horizontal way. You should not do that. Write the style in this way, for better understanding. In this file we have to make functioning of automatic image sliders, make carousel stop, when mouse get hovered in image, give function to icon buttons, to change the image. Now let's write the script.js file. Finally, the result will be like this. If you have any thoughts and ideas, don't hesitate to comment on below. That's all dudes, give a like, share, comment on this video, for me to get motivated. See you dudes, bye.